how to use phone cameras in the same time. Is that possible? Sure. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Farzad and today I'm going to show you how to use phone cameras in the same time. For example, I'm using my selfie and my back camera in the same time. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, let's go. Just you need to download MaxCam application from App Store or Google Play. And tap on application, access to camera and microphone, access to photo library. And now you can see it's working. Hey! It's very cool. You can take a photo or video or group photo. Yeah, it's nice. And what does mean loop? I don't know. But it's good. You can zoom or zoom out and it's done. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.